How to fix Telegram not sending verification code in your device. If you are facing constantly in your iPhone this issue, then this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, what you need to do is open your settings on your device. Once you are on your setting home page, click on the general and hit on the iPhone storage. From here, scroll down and search for Telegram application. Once you found that, go through it. Now hit on the offload app and do offload app. Then go back to the general again and scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone, and then hit on the reset and do reset all settings. And again download Telegram application and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.